How to update Block Blast app. I'm going to tell you how to update the Block Blast app. On iOS, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to see pending updates. If Block Blast appears, tap Update next to it. If it's not listed, search for Block Blast in the App Store. If an update is available, you'll see an update button, otherwise it will show open. On Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, then select Manage Apps and Devices. Under the Manage tab, look for the Block Blast in the list of apps with available updates. If it's there, tap Update. Alternatively, search for Block Blast in the Play Store. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. If not, it will display open. If you don't see an update but suspect you're not on the latest version, it's possible that updates are being rolled out gradually or that your device hasn't received it yet. In such cases, ensure your device's operating system is up to date and check back later.